Okay, I got it. One important tool I use, believe it or not, is just this stiff putty knife. See how it's rounded off? Well, it used to be square. I've used it so much, and I was going to throw it away years ago, but this is one of those really stiff ones. I just use that, and along with my hammer as a scraper and stuff, and I got it down there. Now, I'm going to push it down, and I'll push it down as far as I can. It's not going to go all the way because it's still where it is over there, so it's going to kind of dive bomb, but I'm not going to go down any deeper, and I'm not going to go down any deeper here, because when you follow this through, you see where the perforated pipe is. It goes right above the perforated pipe. There's no way it's going to come down any lower, and it's that same height going along over here. So I just wanted to get it down a little bit lower right there, for peace of mind, I guess, and to make sure nothing was in the way, and to convince myself that's all I needed to do before I tackle this. Okay, so I'll push that down, backfill that, and there's my stepping stone there. There's my stepping stone there. And I'll just leave this until I get this area done. Okay, and as for that, the crushed gravel that's underneath here, I'm not quite sure. I may have to stack it on top of the driveway so I don't get it mixed up with the dirt. If I had some more of this old cloth, I could set that down first, scrape that, pile it up on the cloth. I could do something like that too. Okay, so now I'm going to backfill that, and make sure you get enough weight on there. Don't just start throwing some stuff in, because if you don't push down on that and get some stuff over there and try to compact it, it's just going to spring up. Okay, so easy as you go, you can do it. And I'll get that all down. I've got a little bit of extra dirt here. I'll put it on top of there, even if I mound it up, just to keep the weight on there, to keep it pushed down. You see what I mean? Before I start working on this. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And hey, the more videos you watch, the more you learn, and the more you save. At least that's my hope. See you tomorrow.